Well, welcome to this video tutorial in which we are going to see how to fix a problem that is occurring in the latest version of Chamilo 11126 when creating course categories. If I go here to the administration panel, course categories, and add a new one, code, for example, basic, category name basic level, and if I click on add, we see that it gives me an error. Well, in this case I am not going to explain why the error is occurring because it is really a PHP issue of the file that I'm going to put together in the description of this video tutorial, and simply what you have to do is to replace this file that I am going to put together with the current one, with the one provided by the installation of Chamilo 1126. Then, well, nothing just good. I have it here by FileZilla by FTP. You can do it also with the file manager of your hosting or the local one through the folders. So nothing, I just mash it up. And well, I come back again, and now we will see that you will have to leave me basic level at category. And already we see that we have added a category of agreement. That's simply a mistake that has been made in the code of this last Chamilo update. I hope they will fix it for the next ones. Well, greetings.